The role of the ELL teacher, and I would even expand it to ELL educator, ELL leader, instructional leader, because if you look at the districts, there's a whole set of staff. They might be called tutors, TAs, teachers, coaches, and administrators, and it just goes, you know, it goes along a continuum. I think it's important that they become much more aware of opportunities to work together. So whether it be at the classroom level with other colleagues, whether it be with coaches, you know, maybe working with a math coach to start infusing some of the strategies that would work for ELLs, but also the understanding. So for example, ESL coach is going to also need to learn about the instructional shifts for math. So I think the ELL instructional staff need to become a lot more savvy and knowledgeable about the content areas so we can actually provide the type of support the content areas need. At a more administrative and planning level, there has to be the opportunities to come to the table, to work with the curriculum and instruction folks, to work with the ELA folks, with special education directors, and really find that commonality where they can actually use the knowledge that each one brings to the table to then help the schools. And you know, finally, that's something that we tell our own leadership. We need for superintendents and senior staff to make sure that they reach out and have English language learner staff be part of those discussions, not as an afterthought, because then you've actually maybe wasted time, energy, and resources. If you do it at the outset, you raise those issues right off the bat. It's one of the things that actually has come up with a lot of the school improvement efforts underway. If you look at schools that are in school improvement, many of them have large percentages of students that are English learners. But sometimes the approaches and the interventions that take place in the school are not really all that receptive or all that well-defined in terms of addressing EL needs.